Normaniran1 Aviary YouTube channel. Like, share, and subscribe. Lovebird talks and tips. Before we start, shout out to nobody. Gerardo Cuncio, Kurt Jeric Tabuno, and Kuya Joms TV. Welcome back, my fellow Kashababs. We're going to talk about Yellowface Lovebirds. Do you know what is this? This is so-called the Yellowface Lovebirds. This is the #1 in demand now in the market worldwide, my fellow Kashababs. Do you know what's the difference of these lovebirds from the other lovebirds? That's the one we're going to talk, my fellow Kashababs. Lots of countries are now producing these kinds of lovebirds because of its high value in the market. From Philippines, Pakistan, Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand, and other part of the country. This Yellowface Lovebird has been originated from Australia and Indonesia. From Australia, they call it Australian Yellowface Lovebirds, and from Indonesia, Yellowface Indonesian Lovebirds. Also, some journalists even call this as fail-headed lovebirds, my fellow Kashababs. Why this lovebird they call it fail-headed? Because from the head of these lovebirds, from the difference between the green opaline and this yellowface opaline, the head of this yellowface has been reduced from red, it turns into orange or yellow, and that's why some breeders or some journalists they call it fail-headed. But natural, the name of these lovebirds has been introduced in the market worldwide is Yellowface Lovebirds. This is evident in an Australian yellowface or orange face fishery phenotype, where masks that should be reddish orange are sometimes reduced to yellow or orange. This reduction also occurs in beak, which should be red and yellow after mutating into Australian Yellowface Lovebirds, my fellow Kashabab. Here's a closer view for you to see what's the difference between green opaline and yellowface opaline lovebirds, my fellow Kashababs. From the beak, it's orange or yellow. Same with the head, it turns into color orange or yellow because these lovebirds, yellowface lovebirds, it reduced the color of red, and that's the simple explanation of this yellowface lovebirds, my fellow Kashababs, because from red it turns into yellow or orange. That's why they call it the yellowface lovebirds. Reduction only occurs in red vesticine, my fellow Kashababs. In the part of the body, hair does not degrade because basically in this part there is no red vesticine or very minimal. Also based on several reference journal, only melanin, yellow vesticine, and structural blue dominate the fur of the body parts. Yellowface occurs only in green series lovebirds, my fellow Kashababs. As we already know, in Australian yellowface, orange face fishery works by reducing red vesticine and feathers. This will certainly see the effect only on the green series lovebirds. While in the blue series or CPR, complete vesticine reduction, red vesticine and yellow vesticine had been reduced completely, so the mutation effect of yellow face or orange face may not be seen in the blue series lovebirds. Yellow face in the blue series is likely also genotype still carrying the orange face split yellow face gene, only they have blue phenotypes, my fellow Kashababs. But in the future, when crossing with the green series, chicks will inherit the orange face split yellow face phenotype from the blue series lovebirds. Yellowface Lovebirds is autosomal recessive, my fellow Kashababs. Until this article was published, Mode of inheritance of the yellow-face or orange-face variant was recessive. This refers to the several resources, my fellow Kashababs. The price of yellowface in the Philippines last 2022 was around 500,000 pesos, my fellow Kashababs, with no other mutation involved, just yellowface. Until breeders combine yellowface and cross it with opaline to opaline downfallow to produce yellowface opaline downfallow, my fellow Kashababs. With this yellowface opaline downfallow mutation, the price is being skyrocketed to 1.5 million pesos. And it depends on the mutation of being crossed with yellowface, my fellow Kashababs. So if you purchase Yellowface Lovebirds hen, all you need to do is to provide green opaline male lovebirds to produce green split yellowface split opa male and green opaline split yellowface hen, my fellow Kashababs. With this, you can provide all the materials needed to produce Yellowface Lovebirds from the offspring of green split yellowface split opa male and green opaline split yellowface hen. If you find this video more interesting, give me some thumbs up. If it is not, still give me some thumbs up. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Normaniran1. Again, thank you for watching, my fellow Kashababs.
Aqua B1 Opadan can be cock or hen.